It's also beautiful today. On the 14th of July 2023, we have Vuorimiehenkatu Vuorimiehenkatu 13 stage C, but there's also stage B. We have to try it soon.
I think probably this B.
Is this B?
Yeah, probably, but it doesn't say anything.
But did the other one have elevator also? An elevator in there? Do you see it?
Yeah, I think it's just the same 8 that you filmed, but I'm not sure.
I didn't film more than just the stage A here.
Yeah, but it's their entrance probably.
Okay. But then, of course, this was also important to come.
Yeah.
Because it was built in 1927, modernized in 2005, and it's 6 to 8. And here the cab is intact, because the Stegas A had its cab replaced after the war.
Yeah.
And the domain in 1927 also. Interesting.
Yeah.
It turned 95 years old in 2022, and in Swedish and Finnish and reverse it should be. And it will be expected this year, 2023. Let's take tours here. That's 6 plus. Oh, sorry. Instead of the headers alarm, it's the alarm bell button, like that. And then this it's English, in Swedish. Just put one base.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah.
Inspektit paljon. Niistä olette nyt meitä nyt pääkaupunkiseudun hissakeskus.
There's a renovation going on here.
Yeah.
That's panel. So many photo visualizations.
Yeah.
And also here in the old panels are in the both official languages.
Yeah.
Swedish first, then Finnish.
Yeah, but these are only in Swedish.
Yeah. Yeah, because we are in Norland in Vuorimiehenkatu, where the percentage is high.
Yeah.
It's here in Helsinki, also in Finland. I think the percentage is 33%.
Yeah.
So that's it. Thank you very much for watching. Stage A is for 3 persons. But has a
That's